your insights with this?
I'm Bernard and I'm 19. I've been a youth ambassador for over 3 years now, since September 2022. I think being a youth ambassador has really helped my career. I've met so many people, I've built so many new skills. I'm now studying law in university, and I think that a lot of the skills I still use every single day that I developed with the youth ambassadors. It's also helped me get a sense of the career that I want to go into. I've decided that I want to work somewhere in criminal justice, or something that lets me offer the same representation to organisations that I've been offered, to giving people the same opportunities as I've had. But I really love being a youth ambassador.